What's up guys, Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you all of the tools that you need to trade meme coin, all of the platforms that you need, both platforms for research, platforms for trading, and everything else in between. So at the end of this video, you have a whole lot of tools, and basically all of the tools are free. So you can start using it right now. If you're ready, let's dive into it. The very first one is Twitter. Twitter is where literally all of the meme coin and crypto traders converge. It's where all of them, you find all of them at the same time. There is virtually no crypto trader or meme trader that doesn't have an account on Twitter and also tweets consistently. So what you have to do is just to look for the top traders and follow them on Twitter. You could also find some of them on YouTube and then you come and follow them on Twitter here. One of them is this guy, Orangey. You could follow him. He has a YouTube channel, so you could follow him. So if you're interested in how to use Twitter to find meme coin gems, I've created a video on that and I'll link it at the top so that you check it out. So the next tool that we'll take a look at is Desk Screener. This tool is an aggregator that pulls data from all of the DXs and displays it here. It has filters. It has filters. You can use any type of filter. You can filter based on any criteria you want: liquidity, profile, the token age, 24 hours transaction, and all of that. But the major reason why I use this platform is because of this boosted feature. This is a paid feature, and it tells you that the token developer is serious about this token. So it's the major reason why I use it. And what you do when you see something like this, it's something around this call 500, 600 score, then you will know that the token developer is serious about this token and you can quickly get in and out. So let's check this. Let's look at this. Let's look at this token. um the major reason for this is it shows you that the developer is serious and you can get in and out, and there is also liquidity because of the seriousness of the token developer. You could see this. Just imagine you got into this token right around here. Let's say you drew the trend line and it broke the trend line, then you got in here, you'll be up almost 100%. So this is how you use this tool. The boosted feature is very important. It shows you the seriousness of the developer. So this is the second tool. The next tool is gmgn.ai. It's almost like desk screener. It's just that it has the option where you can trade. You could trade tokens right on the platform. You could also copy trade on this same platform. So you could see you have the one click buy and one click sell, just like one of the other platforms I will show you later. So you could see everything that you need is here. You could connect your wallet here and you're good to go. So it's great for you to explore this platform on your own and find out more about it. So the next platform is bediview.so. The major reason why I like this platform is because of the profitable traders list and the bubble map. It shows you like an overview of the market and how it is, how it's going. So you see the tokens that are moving to the upside, the one that are going to the downside. You could change this from 24 hours to 7 days, 30 days, 4 hours, as in 8 hours. Just as in you could change it to what you want, whatever you want. And these are the most profitable traders ranked by 7 days PNL. So you could copy this, put it in a wallet tracker. I'll show you one free one, and just track what these people do. And when you get into a trade, you look at the trade, you analyze it. If you can get a good entry, you get in, and off you go. So another of the platform is obviously Telegram. Most of the platforms require you to connect from your Telegram and connect to the platform like BullX, Nova. So I'll also talk about these platforms in a moment. So you need Telegram. You could also join some groups, which I highly do not recommend. So but mainly you could connect to most of these platforms, and you could trade here on Telegram using trading bots like Nova and I think Trojan and a host of other bots. Then you have BullX. This is neo.bullx.io. This is where most people trade. Most people, this is where they trade, and it has filters. You could filter by what you want. I actually created a video on this, so I'll also link it up. So you could filter by what you want, then you could trade on the platform. You could trade on the platform. It's pretty much a very amazing platform. So you could trade on the platform. It also has the instant trade, so you could just if you see a token you are interested in, you just click on this 0.5, so boom, and you're already in the trade. So the execution of trade is quite fast. It's a great platform. This is what most people use. This platform is what most people use. So this platform also has the Twitter tracker, so you could track what's happening on Twitter, because most of the meme coins they are gotten from people's tweets on Twitter. So you could just follow up on what's happening. You read through. You could keep this opened on one tab, and then you trade on the other. I'll show you how to do something like this using a special browser in a moment. So you also have the wallet tracker, just in case you're interested in tracking a wallet. So I have some wallets that I've been tracking. It's just that they've not been that active. I don't really use it that much because I don't really believe in wallet tracking. Although if you can find a very good wallet, it's worth it. So all you have to do is to if you're interested in adding a wallet, just add the wallet here, put the name, then you add wallet, and it starts to track the wallet for you. So Bullets is good using it's good using this feature. It gives you all of these features for free. You don't have to pay for it, so which makes it very amazing. So another platform people also use for trading is this is pretty new, axiom.pro.trade, sorry, Axiom.trade. It's relatively fast. A lot of people said it's the fastest at the moment, so you could check it out. It also has wallet tracker, it has Twitter tracker, um, but it has condition. It says you must trade more than 5 souls to access the Twitter feed, which I find very weird. It also has a wallet tracker. You could just use that of BullX, and you could just depends on you could use any of these two platforms, Axiom Pro, BullX, or even GMGN, if that's the case. So another the last tool that you need is called Vivaldi. It's a browser. This browser, it enables you to be able to split your screen into two, and then you could put one thing on one side and another thing on the other side. So you could put a wallet tracker on one side, like this side. Uh let me just open this. Okay, this is a Twitter tracker. So you could track Twitter on one hand, and then you could be trading on the other hand. So this is Vivaldi. All you have to do is when you download this browser, all you have to do is open two pages, then you click on this place. You says tilt vertically, so you tilt it vertically. Okay, let me just do it so that you see it how it's done. So this is basically it. So this is basically it. Okay, so I've just opened two um two tabs, these both tabs. So all you have to do is come to this bottom, this page tilting, then you say tilt vertically. So what it does is that it then divides the page into two. So all you have to do is drag this page, drag it here, drag it like this. Then this is also, then you have this page, then you could adjust this. Let's say you could adjust this here, put this at say 70% so that it's smaller. Then you could increase this a bit. Then this, the other page, you make it 80 so that you could see it better. Then you close this, so you could see it better. So this is it. It's how you do it. So this is Crypto Wolf. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please subscribe. Please subscribe.